Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. So in this tutorial I will show you how to convert text to image with AI for free. Are you ready? So let's get started, okay? First you should open your browser and go to this website, okay? Open AI text to speech. This is the official website where you can generate text to sound for free, okay? Just you should type your text here, okay? And you can on the right side you can choose the simple from AI, okay? You can choose whatever you want with woman voice or man voice. So first let me make a sound, okay? Text to speech. I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I will type write me a guide how to start a garden, for example, okay? That's just an example. So I'm going to copy that, okay? Copy this text and paste it here, okay, in this website. Yeah. And I want to copy, I want to convert this text into sound. So on the right side, you can choose the simples, for example.
The sun rises in the east and
If you
sets
want
in the
to
west. This
have the
simple fact
sound
has been
as a
observed by.
man, if you want to have as a woman,
In the kitchen, the aroma
you
of
can
freshly
select this
baked
one.
bread filled
So
the
I'm
air.
going to
The
select this
loaves
one
were golden
and
brown and
click
crusty on
on
the
create
outside and soft and
speech.
warm on the
Okay,
inside.
create speech. It will be converted into sound, and then after that you can download the sound. Yeah, as you can see, the sound is ready. Audio as let's
How
play.
to start a garden, a step-by-step guide. Starting a garden is a rewarding activity that can provide fresh produce, beautiful flowers, and a sense of accomplishment. Whether you're an experienced green thumb or a beginner,
Yeah,
this guide will help you establish a
it's very interesting. With AI, you can do many things. You can convert text into sound. You can convert text into videos. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to convert text into videos. Okay, that's it, guys. I hope you will like it. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section, and I will be very, very happy to help you out with that. And you can download it, the sound, as you can see here. Yeah, I'm going to download. Yeah, it's ready. That's it, and see you in the next video.